In this video, I will show you how to easily remove Face ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode when prompted to access the settings. Now scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. Now here you will get a notification about stolen device protection. It says that Face ID cannot be reset while the stolen device protection is on. Just tap on OK. Now scroll down and as you can see, stolen device protection is currently set as on. Just tap on stolen device protection. Now just toggle off this feature. Note that for the security reason, disabling this feature might be delayed by up to 1 hour. If this happens, a timer will start and you will receive a notification once the feature can be turned off. After 1 hour, the timer gets completed and just return to this stolen device protection section and just turn it off. Once stolen device protection is disabled, just go back and now in the Face ID and passcode screen, you can tap on Reset Face ID option and this will remove Face ID from your iPhone. So that is how you can remove Face ID on your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.